Okay guys, today what we're going to do is learn how to add and subtract polynomials, and it's super easy. It's basically just combining like terms, but before we can combine like terms we have to get rid of the parentheses. Okay, I can't start combining things until I drop the parentheses. Now I just put this little sample problem up here that'll help us as we go through some of these problems, and this one is a difference. We're finding the difference. It's this trinomial here minus this binomial. Alright, now you'll notice when I drop the parentheses of this front one, it says 4b squared plus 3b plus 5. But I want you to notice something. The sign of this 6b squared right now inside the parentheses is positive. But as soon as I drop the parentheses, it becomes negative 6b squared. It changed its sign. Do you see there's really a negative 1 in front of that? Right? And I can distribute it. Both of these things have to change their signs. Whenever I'm subtracting a polynomial, the second one changes all of its signs. Alright, so this becomes a negative 6b squared minus 7. Now I've gotten rid of the parentheses. I've just got terms up there. I just need to combine like terms. Alright, Alfredo, I'm always going to start with the highest power. Okay, so I'm going to start with 4b squared, and I have another b squared. It's minus 6b squared. Now remember, I'm just combining like terms. I'm not multiplying. I'm just combining. Imagine if I had, I don't know, $4 and minus $6. That would give me minus $2. If I had 4 cars and minus 6 cars, that would give me minus 2 cars. Here I have 4b squareds and negative 6b squareds. So I'm going to get, Joseph, negative 2b squareds. Excellent job. And I usually circle them and mark them off because now I don't have to think about them anymore. Now the next thing I'm going to look at is b to the first. And I have just one term that's b to the first. So I have nothing to combine it with. I just bring it down. So plus 3b. It's gone. Now looking up here, Chris, you're going to see I've got two constants, don't I? I've got positive 5 and negative 7, and when I put 5 positives and 7 negatives together, I'm left with 2 negatives, or minus 2. Now, look at what I have left here. I've got 3 terms. I've got this trinomial, and none of them are alike, so I can't combine anymore. That's it. It's done. I have subtracted, or I found the difference between these two polynomials. Okay? And now we're going to do some examples, and you'll get to see how this works. That first example coming up is going to be a sum, and those are super easy. All right, good job, guys.